Hello everyone, and welcome back to English Sneak Peek. In today's video, we're going to talk about how you can practice English every single day. Even if you're busy, even if you don't live in an English-speaking country, and even if you don't have anyone to practice with. By the end of this video, you'll have a daily routine that will help you improve your speaking, listening, reading, and writing skills step by step. So, let's get started. The first tip is, make English a part of your daily routine. Don't wait for a perfect time. Instead, connect English to what you already do. For example, when you wake up, say a few sentences in English. Good morning. Today I will go to work. I feel a little tired but excited. When you make tea or coffee, describe it in English. I am boiling water. Now I'm adding sugar. These little habits turn daily life into practice. Next is, listen to English every single day. Listening helps your brain get used to the rhythm and sounds of English. Here's what you can do. Listen to English podcasts or YouTube videos while walking or cleaning. Watch movies or shows with subtitles first, then without subtitles. Repeat short phrases after the speaker. This improves pronunciation. Remember, listening is not passive. Try to copy the sounds. Now, the most important skill, speaking. Many learners understand English but feel shy to speak. Don't worry. You can practice alone. Here are 3 methods. Mirror practice. Talk to yourself in front of a mirror. Describe your day, your plans, or your feelings. Shadowing technique. Listen to a short audio, then repeat exactly like the speaker. Record yourself. Use your phone. Record a short 1-minute talk. Later, listen and see what you can improve. Even 5 minutes of speaking daily will boost your confidence. Reading helps with vocabulary and sentence structure. But don't choose boring or very difficult books. Start with news articles for simple English, for example, BBC Learning English. Short stories or graded readers. Even social media posts in English. When you read, say the sentences aloud. This way, you practice both reading and speaking. Writing is also important. It organizes your thoughts in English. Here's how you can practice. Keep a short daily journal. Today I met my friend. We talked about our weekend. Write comments on YouTube videos in English. Send simple text messages to yourself in English. Remember, you don't need perfect grammar. The goal is practice. The last and most powerful tip, be consistent. It's better to practice 10 minutes every day than 2 hours only once a week. Make English part of your lifestyle, not just a subject. So, to practice English daily. Speak a little every day. Listen to English everywhere. Read and write short pieces. And most importantly, stay consistent. If you follow these tips, you'll see real improvement in just a few months. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to English Sneak Peek for more simple and fun English lessons. See you in the next video.